My name is Terry. I'm the warehouse and fleet manager here at Clarksville Services. At Clarksville, we offer four different divisions, which is heating and air, plumbing, construction, and electrical. And with that, we have over 40 vehicles that I'm trying to juggle and maintain. Yeah, so what really made us look for fleet maintenance was that we only have one person in the warehouse and managing the fleet, which is myself. And when it comes to that, originally what we were doing is that any time that any vehicle had an issue, an oil change or something, I had to personally go out and sit there, wait at the mechanic, or schedule a ride, an Uber or a Lyft or whatever it is to get me from the mechanic back to the office. And it was pretty much just a waste of time for the majority of it. It was just, again, it's just me in here. So, and with over 40 vehicles, we really needed something better, a more effective way of managing our fleet. What made us choose it was really the communication that you guys have. We were trying to look around for other companies. There were bigger companies, and we didn't have anyone like Jen that came straight to us, was willing to sit down with us and really sell themselves what services you guys were offering. And again, we are looking to get bigger, but we are a smaller company, and we really appreciate other smaller companies helping each other out. And yeah, again, majority of it was the communication. It was a lot harder to get a rep or someone in here to really tell us what they were offering when it comes to fleet maintenance. But you guys were super helpful and very fast when it comes to communicating and actually getting here. I'm trying to juggle both the warehouse and the fleet and maintenance of the fleet. And me being newer here and not really having much background when it comes to vehicles and maintaining vehicles, I would rather just pass the buck off to someone else and not really have to worry about pricing, whether I have to go and look for another mechanic to just compare prices. I trust that you guys are giving us the best price, and again, yeah, time effective. We're looking to save time and money, and you guys are really helping us out there. Yeah, I would definitely recommend you guys to someone else. Specifically smaller companies, companies that really don't have the money to just effectively like have spare vehicles, and if something goes wrong with one, they can just hop to the next one. Being a smaller company, if we have one vehicle go down, we're pretty much going to have to deal with that with ourselves. We're going to have to find a rental vehicle, and yeah, everything's just out of pocket for us. And yeah, I would definitely recommend it, specifically to smaller companies that are looking to expand just like us. And yeah, really don't need the headache of maintaining a fleet, especially when it's expanding pretty consistently.